Okay, so here's the fun part. Now that we have a Aweber account and it's properly set up for us to maximize and monetize as much as possible and generate leads to our funnel, how do we actually capture those leads? The way we capture every single subscriber that comes to our website is to use a capture page, hence the name. Okay, so a capture page, you can see I have two right here. It works the way it sounds. When a person visits the web page, we say just enough to sell them on what's on the next page. So learn the fastest way to generate thousands of leads. Video reveals the only way to generate laser targeted leads by the thousands for free. So that's enticing enough. That's intriguing enough where a person says, look, this value that lies on the other side of this page is worth enough for me to give up something that's valuable to me, which is my email address. So when a person enters their email address and they click the submit button, they're then redirected to your sales page where you hopefully make the sale. If not, we have a follow-up process in place that convinces them to go back and purchase that product, service, or program. So look, I advise a lot of people to either get ClickFunnels. This is where you're looking at ClickFunnels. It's done by Russell Brunson. The guy is an absolute genius. I mean, he's a marketer himself, so he completely created a system that allows you to do every aspect of funnel building. Very, very simple. It's extremely user friendly and it's a really affordable price. If you don't want to go with ClickFunnels, you can also go with Lead Pages. I believe it's leadpages.net. That you can type in is affordable as well. It doesn't have nearly as many features as ClickFunnels does, but it's something that you can start off with. Another thing you can use is OptimizePress. It's kind of a heavy type of program. It's not as user friendly at all as Lead Pages, but like I said, it's something that you can begin with. But here's the thing, you don't have to be tech savvy. And like I said earlier in the course, you don't even have to have web hosting, right? You don't have to host any domain. ClickFunnels hosts it for you. They allow you to simply plug in your Aweber code, and I'm going to show you in a second how you can just hire someone else to do that for you and not have to waste your time with all of the tech madness, right? Even though it's really simple, it takes a few minutes. But like I said, they host it for you. You don't have to worry about bandwidth. You don't have to worry about a monthly fee paying these hosting companies. All you need is a domain name, an email list, and a funnel building platform. And so right now I'm going to show you how you can hire someone to not only integrate your Aweber with your capture page, but they can also completely build out your funnel for you. You know, capture page, sales page, upsell, downsell. You can find people to do that for you. And you do that by going to a site called Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. And the name comes from having all of these people who are talented in different areas who would do these little mini jobs for you, starting off at just $5. That's why it's called Fiverr. So what we want to do right now is go to the search bar, type in ClickFunnels. And so let's see. I would do any ClickFunnels work. I will set up funnels using ClickFunnels and Lead Pages. I will set up funnels using ClickFunnels all. Okay. Well, keep in mind, some of these people are from the Philippines and, overseas. So something like $5 or $15 goes a longer way than it does for a person over here in the States if we hired them. So you can see right here, I would design page and set up funnels using ClickFunnels. And so here's the thing. The people who make the most money in our industry and the majority of industries in the world, they don't waste their time doing jobs that you can pay someone $5 to do. And so with every job, please understand that there is a learning curve. And me as an experienced marketer, I'm not going to lead you astray by telling you to waste your time learning something that you can pay someone $5 to just do for you and learn later on the back end when you have everything in place. I want you to spend your time creating your product or finding someone else's product to promote, creating your email copy. And also later in this course, I'm going to show you a ninja trick on how you can kind of hijack that process and come up with the best email copy in the world in a matter of a few minutes every day. So I want you to actually spend time doing income producing activities. And while this is an income producing activity, if you can pay someone $5, $10, $15 to knock it out for you and you not waste an entire week figuring it out, then I suggest you do it and just come back, reverse engineer what was done, or just ask the person who did it and learn it later on the back end. So like I said, just go to Fiverr.com, type in ClickFunnels. Let's see, Lead Pages. And the reason I tell you to go with either one of those is because you can skip having web hosting set up. You don't need web hosting for ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. With OptimizePress, you do need web hosting. I will create a modern and professional lead pages page. Okay. So like I said, you're the boss. It's time to make some money and it's time to act like a boss. So go ahead and hire someone to knock this job out for you. They can integrate. Let them know exactly what you need. Tell them you set up your Aweber list. You now need a capture page created and you need them to integrate your Aweber list with your ClickFunnels or leads pages page. And don't be afraid to give them your Aweber login so they can get that done for you. Okay. They do this every day. Nothing's going to go wrong. Nothing's going to happen. So right now, move on to the next video where I'm going to show you how to set up your 7-day follow-up series to get the most sales out of whatever main product you choose to promote.